Yo, how's it going, squad? Welcome back to another reaction video. So in today's video, you know, it's a little bit different. I am not going to be reacting to a music video, but instead I'm going to be reacting to some acting. So recently I was on the Dreamcatcher YouTube channel and I clicked on this video and I was like, yo, what is this? And then literally like 10 seconds, 20 seconds in, I started cracking up. So I was like, yo, let me pause this, let me restart this and record it for y'all, you know? Like, this is hilarious. And you know, this is actually perfect because they have 2 parts out right now, so hey, let's get it. This low-key might be a long video. So without further ado, we're about to dive into Dreamcatcher acting. They can sing, they can dance, but can they act? That's the real question. Let's get it. Let me know. Okay, let's dive right in. This is the first one right here. This is the one that I watched, literally like 20 seconds of it. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Bro, do you guys hear these sound effects, yo? Self-made intro. Dude, I swear this is hilarious. I swear. If you guys haven't seen this, link in the description. Come on now. Direct everything made by Dreamcatcher, bro. This is hilarious. Hold up. You guys hear those sound effects, bro? Those sound effects get me, bro. She got some hair from the sweater. Okay. Is that someone's holding up the sweater like it's a freaking coat rack? Okay, so they're doctors. Okay. Jiyu tries so hard not to laugh. You can tell, bro. She's about to crack up. Okay. Dude, the humming sound. Yo, stop. Bro, Sue's acting kind of on point, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Mom. You guys hear the sound effect? Bro, stop.
모든 게 완벽했다. 나를 둘러싼 모두가 완벽하게 나를
Bro, I don't even know what's going on. Yo. Oh my gosh, yo. I'm tearing up.
알고 있어?
What kind of face is that?
그런 자식은 내 친구 아니야. 네가 내 친구지.
He was never your friend, 친구?
똑바로 왜 잡았다! 어머, 지 선생님! 저희 왔어요.
Dude, their budget must be low. Why they got some paper drinks, yo?
지 선생님. 안녕하세요. 안녕하십니까, 형님. 초대하셨잖아요.
Damn, they so talented. They play multiple characters. Come on now.
아니, 나 어떡해. 내 정신 좀 봐. 괜찮습니다. 아니에요. 제가 먼저 말을 꺼냈는데 그냥 보내드릴 수 없죠. 기왕 오신 김에 들어오세요.
Shion acting on point too. Why does she look like that? Yo! Do you see that? Yo! Paper cup, bro? Come. Dude. Dreamcatcher making skits? Come on now. K-drama? Bro, she's holding a paper cup, bro. Come on. You cannot tell me this is not funny. Come on, bro. Oh? Guy just cussed? Bro, chill. I know this is supposed to be kind of sad right there, but the sound effect does not help.
앞으로 중요한 일은 생각하지 마.
What's going on?
내 아들이야.
He's my son. What, bro?
네가 감히 그럴 만한 주제가 돼?
그래. 실수한 건 인정해. 어쩔 수가 없었다고. 사랑에 빠진 게 죄는 아니잖아.
Bro, people that are in the streets, if they were like watching, they would be cracking up. Bro, these sound effects, bro. I love these sounds. To be continued. Alright, so you guys let me know. Is that supposed to be like a reenactment of a K-drama? Are they like recreating a scene or something? Like, I have no idea. I ain't gonna lie, their acting be on point sometimes. But besides the acting, bro, the sound effects, the music in the back, bro, that shit, that got me dying, yo, like that. Yo, that's hilarious. And as always, don't let dreams be dreams, and try to be the reason why. Let's get it.